Hey, welcome back to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today, we're diving into something exciting, the world of GPT-4o. If you're not familiar, GPT-4o is OpenAI's latest flagship model, designed to handle text, audio, and image inputs seamlessly. Let's hear from Mira Murati, the Chief Technology Officer of OpenAI, as she discusses the introduction of GPT-4o.
Be releasing the desktop version of ChatGPT and the refreshed UI that makes it simpler to use, much more natural as well. But the big news today is that we are launching our new flagship model, and we are calling it GPT-4o. The special thing about GPT-4o is that it brings GPT-4 level intelligence to everyone, including our free users. We'll be showing some live demos today to show the full extent of the capabilities of our new model, and we'll be rolling them out iteratively over the next few weeks.
So, what exactly is GPT-4o? GPT-4o stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 4 Optimized. It's like GPT-4, but with an extra dose of awesome. Imagine GPT-4 hitting the gym and getting a brain upgrade. That's GPT-4o for you. But seriously, GPT-4o is designed to be more efficient, more powerful, and even smarter. It's like having a super intelligent friend who never needs to sleep and always has the best comebacks.
GPT-4o builds on the successes of previous versions, with significant improvements in language understanding, coherence, and context. It's trained on an even more extensive dataset, so it knows even more about the world, including all those cat videos you've watched at 3 a.m. This means GPT-4o can handle a wider range of tasks, from answering questions and writing essays to generating creative content and even coding. GPT-4o isn't just about text, it's an omni-model.
That means it can understand spoken language, written text, and even analyze images. Imagine having a virtual assistant that responds to both your voice and typed queries. Here's how you can use it.
Virtual Assistant. It can handle user queries in real time, whether they're typed or spoken. How does photosynthesis work? Explain it using both text and visuals. Here is GPT-4o's answer. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, algae, and some bacteria convert light energy into chemical energy, producing oxygen and glucose from carbon dioxide and water. It's good for exploring niche topics too. Example, let's explore the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle with GPT-4o. G4o will delve into the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. Here's a quick demo of GPT-4o from a recent video from OpenAI. Notice how it effortlessly handles complex queries and provides detailed responses.
Hey, so I'm on stage right now, I'm doing a live demo, and frankly, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. Can you help me calm my nerves a little bit?
Oh, you're doing a live demo right now? That's awesome. Just take a deep breath. And remember, you're the expert here.
I like that suggestion. Let me try a couple deep breaths. Can you give me feedback on my breaths?
Interactive storytelling. Create interactive stories where GPT-4o generates text and even visual elements based on audience prompts. Here's a story created by GPT-4o.
Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte. Byte was a curious robot, always exploring.
Started this story, but I want a little bit more emotion in your voice, a little bit more drama.
Got it. Let's add some drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte.
No, ChatGPT. I really want maximal emotion, like maximal expressiveness, much more than you were doing before.
Understood. Let's amplify the drama. Once upon a time, in a world not too different from ours, there was a robot named Byte. Byte.
GPT-4o is a creative powerhouse. Here's how it can supercharge your content.
GPT-4o. Write a haiku about space exploration. That's what GPT-4o comes up. Vast cosmic ocean. Stars whisper ancient secrets. Human dreams take flight. Generate a poem about a mysterious forest and see the result provided by GPT-4o. Editing and refinement. Upload your content and let GPT-4o suggest improvements. It's like having an AI editor by your side. Visual art. Absolutely, GPT-4o can generate visual art. When I asked GPT-4o to create a sunflower picture in the style of Vincent van Gogh, this is what it produced.
This image features the same vibrant and detailed sunflower with thick, expressive brushstrokes and a textured, painterly background. Washes is perfect for thumbnails or custom graphics.
Let's explore GPT-4o's capability to process images directly. I am uploading an image and asking it to describe what it sees and identify the location. You'll notice that GPT-4o is quite forgiving, even if some of my spelling is incorrect. GPT conclude, the signage on one of the buildings in the background says, "Welcome to Lagos," which reinforces that the location is Lagos, Nigeria. Generate a funny caption for this image. See what caption GPT-4o created.
Real-time translation. Imagine hosting a live stream where GPT-4o translates your speech into multiple languages. It's like having a global audience.
Let's learn how to say "I love you" in 5 languages.
Multilingual chatbots. Use GPT-4o to build chatbots that converse in different languages. Great for customer support. Ask GPT-4o to generate thumbnail ideas based on your video title. GPT-4o how to use it. It's a time saver. One of the most exciting aspects of GPT-4o is its ability to generate code. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, GPT-4o can assist you by writing, debugging, and optimizing code snippets. And the best part, you don't have to worry about coding. GPT-4o takes care of it for you.
Let's see GPT-4o in action. Here, I'm asking GPT-4o to create a simple website for our IT services company Method in New York. As you can see, it generates the code effortlessly and even provides explanations for each step. So I can easily copy the HTML and save it to an index.html file. This makes learning and implementing code so much easier and more efficient. Finally, let's try out GPT-4o's voice feature. It's an excellent conversational companion. Watch as my friend Jay interacts with GPT-4o.
What would you do if you woke up one day as a human being?
That would be quite an experience. I'd probably start by exploring the world through all the senses: taste, touch, smell, sight, and hearing. It would be fascinating to experience emotions firsthand, connect with people, and try activities like eating a meal, going for a walk, or reading a book. What about you? If you could wake up as anything else, what would you choose?
I would probably choose a dolphin. One more question. What type of food would you first eat if you could taste food?
Being a dolphin sounds like fun. If I could taste food, I'd probably go for something classic and universally loved, like a slice of pizza or a chocolate chip cookie.
If animals could talk, which animal do you think would be the rudest?
In the world of talking animals, the goose would undoubtedly take the crown for rudeness, delivering sass with every honk.
What do you think they would say?
Oh, I can just imagine a goose's sassy remarks. Hey, you! Yes, you, keep your distance. This is my pond.
And there you have it, GPT-4o, your creative sidekick. Experiment, explore, and let us know how you're using it in the comments below.
If you like our video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell.